loving you.
Baba ko lang din yung special gift.
Ang bigat.
Because you're
Ito
the,
special
you're the
lang to.
madrigal with no special gifts.
Ito
Grabe,
special
ano
lang
ba
to.
to? Ano ba to? Aray. You job. Ito yung ano pang samgyup.
Nagupit sa...
Dandahan, Chin, maano ka, magupit ka.
I'm Edward Scissorhands. Ang ganda nung unboxing ng ano ng YouTube eh, no? Pang samgyup yung ginawa.
Special.
Ten, 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 ten,
But
ten.
tonight will be the night that I'll be over you.
Mali.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh! Ah! Wow!
Gold!
You did it! One mission, one channel, and one more thing. 1 million subscribers! Congratulations! You may have started with just a few viewers, but your incredible voice, passion, and creativity has now touched the lives of so many people around the world. Wow! To honor your incredible milestone, we are proud to present you with the Gold Creator Awards. We hope that this special recognition will inspire you and remind you how much you mean to so many. I know. We know this milestone is one of many that you have reached. With others yet to come, you are part of the dynamic group of creators who are building the next generation of new media companies. CEO Yarn. Yours sincerely, Susan. Whoa. Paano basahin? Paano basahin to?
Wait.
Osiki? CEO YouTube.
YouTube?
So, ganun po talaga pamilya ko. Pasensya. Presented to Francine Diaz. Ay, may pera. Charot. Francine Diaz for passing 1 million subscribers. Pwede kang magsalamin dyan. Ay, Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Kaya nga your voice has touched so many. I promise, gagawa ko ng mas maayos na video. I mean, na speech as my thank you speech for this and to everyone na nakasubscribe sa channel ko.
Okay.
For the special gift.
Special.
Okay, he's ready. Give it to me, I'm worth it! Buksan mo na! Deal or no deal?
Number one.
Or no